What if I told you that a tiny country with almost no natural resources became one of the richest nations on Earth? This is Switzerland, and its success will surprise you. Switzerland is smaller than many US states, with just about 9 million people, yet it consistently ranks among the wealthiest countries in the world. For over 200 years, Switzerland has stayed neutral in major wars. While others rebuilt, Switzerland kept growing its economy. Because it avoided destruction, businesses, investors, and wealthy families trusted Switzerland with their money. Swiss banks are legendary. For decades, people from around the world stored their fortunes here because of strong financial stability. Banking contributes billions of dollars to Switzerland's economy every year. Some of the world's biggest companies are headquartered in Switzerland, creating thousands of high-paying jobs. Instead of exporting raw materials, Switzerland exports knowledge, innovation, and technology. Swiss watches aren't just accessories, they're masterpieces. Brands here dominate the global luxury watch market. Every year, billions of dollars worth of Swiss watches are exported worldwide. Switzerland is one of the world's biggest pharmaceutical producers, supplying life-saving medicines across the globe. Innovation in healthcare earns the country enormous revenue every single year. Switzerland invests heavily in education, producing some of the world's best engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. Highly skilled workers mean higher productivity and higher incomes. Swiss engineering is trusted worldwide, from medical equipment to advanced machinery. Instead of making cheap products, Switzerland focuses on premium quality. Millions of tourists visit Switzerland every year, spending billions on hotels, skiing, transport, and shopping. Even the journey itself becomes an unforgettable attraction. Political stability is another major advantage. Investors know Switzerland offers reliable institutions, predictable laws, and one of the lowest corruption levels in the world. Confidence attracts investment, and investment creates jobs, innovation, and long-term economic growth. This global confidence strengthens Switzerland's economy and reinforces its reputation as a secure financial powerhouse. Year after year, Switzerland ranks among the world's most innovative countries, investing heavily in research, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and clean technologies.
Instead of making cheap products, Switzerland focuses on premium quality. By mastering precision and craftsmanship, they turned every export into a symbol of absolute excellence. Ultimately, Switzerland became rich by focusing on excellence instead of size. Every industry, from banking to engineering, is built around precision. Unlike countries blessed with oil or vast mineral wealth, Switzerland built its prosperity through education, discipline, innovation, financial stability. Switzerland proves that natural resources alone do not create wealth. Vision, smart policies, skilled people, and global trust can transform even a small mountain nation. Which of these 15 facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching my channel, The World Around You. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Until next time,